Welcome students. Today we will continue with our problem set 15. In last video we did division. Now we will solve the word problem based upon the division. Okay. Now here the second question is, just read the question. How many hours will it take to travel 336 kilometer at a speed of 48 kilometer per hour? Okay, now what is given here? Yeah, speed is given as 48 kilometer per hour, means in 1 hour it travels 48 kilometer. Okay, and he has to travel 336 kilometer. So we have to find the time, the hours that it will take to travel 336 kilometer. In 1 hour it travels 48 hours. Okay, the speed is given and we have to find the total hours to travel the distance of 336 kilometer. Okay, so let's start with this. What is given here, that we will write here. See what is given here. Speed is given. Speed is given as 48 kilometer per hour. 48 kilometer per hour. Okay, and distance to be covered. Distance to be covered is 336 kilometer. Distance to be covered is 336 kilometer. Okay, and we have to find the time. We have to find time. Okay, we have to find time. Then for that we will divide the distance by speed. Okay, then we will get the time. Okay, to find the time, then here we will write 336 divided by 48. Okay, we will divide it 336 divided by 48. Okay, then whatever we will get, that is our answer. Just divide it. Now 48, see here 3 is less than 48, the first digit. Then we will divide it by 0, that is 48 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. We will take 3 down. Again it become 33. Then 33 is less than 48. Then 48 zeros are 0. Remainder is 33. Then we will take 6 down. It become 36. Okay. Now we will check by which number the 336 will be divided. Okay. Then here we will make the table of 48. Okay, that is 48 ones are 48. Okay, 48 twos are 96. Like that we will make a table. Okay, then 48 threes are, that is 144. 48 fours are, that is 192. 48 fives are, that is 240. 48 six are 288. 48 sevens are 336. Okay, it's not compulsory to make here the table. Okay, if you know the table, then you can directly divide. Those who don't know, they can make the table over here. Okay, now 48 sevens are is 336. Then here we will write 48 sevens are 336, and here remainder is 0. That means the time taken to travel the distance, to cover the distance, that is equals to 7 hours. Okay, then here we will write the answer. it's a word problem, then writing the answer is compulsory. Then here we will write time required to cover 336 kilometer is equals to 7 hours. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you. Now we will move to the third question. Just read the question here. That is, Girija need 35 carton to pack 1400 books. Okay, means Girija want to pack book, that is 1400 book, and he need 35 carton. There are an equal number of books in every carton, and in every carton there will be equal number of books. Then how many books did she pack into each carton? Means if 1400 books are packed in 35 cartons, then in one carton, how many books will be packed? Okay, that we have to find out. Then for this we will divide. Okay, see here, then what is given here, that we will write here, that is number of books. How many books are there? Number of books is equals to 1400, and number of cartons. Here how many cartons she need? She need 35 cartons. Then here we will write number of cartons. Okay, that is equals to 35. Now we have to find the number of books in each carton. The number of books in each carton. Number of books in each carton. Okay, that we have to find out. Then for this we will divide, that is equals to 1400 divided by 35. Okay, then here, that is 35 zeros are 0, remainder is 1, we will take 4 down. 35 zeros are 0, 14, and it become 140. Now 35 fours is 140. 35 fours are 140, remainder is 0. Now here see, here one more 0 is there. Okay, then we will take it down. Then 35 zeros are again 0. 35 zeros are 0. Then here we will write 0. Then in each carton, the number of books in each carton is 40. Okay, then here we will write the answer, that is number of books in each carton is equals to 35. Okay, now see here the fourth one. The contribution for a picnic was 65 rupees each. Means you are going to picnic, okay, every year. Then for that contribution, for going to picnic you are paying some money. Okay, that is the fees of the picnic. Then here it is given as the contribution for a picnic. For a picnic was rupees 65 each. From one, the contribution is 65. Altogether 2925 rupees were collected. Okay, total amount collected by school or whatever the institute, whatever that is 2925. Then how many had paid for the picnic? Means how many children or how many persons are going for the picnic. Means you have to find here the number of person. Okay, then for this again we will divide, means we will divide it. This is 2925 by 65. Okay, then what is given here, this is what problem, that what is given here, that we will write here, that is the contribution by each person is equals to rupees 65, and total contribution is 2925. Rupees 2925. We have to find the number of persons going for the picnic. Okay, then here we will write only number of person, then we will divide the bigger number by the smaller number, that is 2925 by 65. Okay, then what we will get here, that is 65 zeros are 0, 2 will come down, then we will take 9 down, and 65 zeros are 0 because 29 is less than 65, then it's 29, then we will take 2 down. Now this number become 292. Now we have to divide 65 till we will get the smaller number, then 292. Okay, then here 65 ones are 65, 65 twos are 130, 65 threes are 195, 65 threes are 200, 65 threes are 195, and 65 fours are is 260. Okay, then and here 65 fives are, that is equals to 325. Then we will go with this, that is 65 fours are 260. Then here remainder after subtracting we will get here 32. Okay, now we will take 5 down, then the number become 325. Now see here, 65 fives are 325, that is 65 fives are 325. Okay, now means to number of person going for the picnic are 45. Then here we will write the answer, that is number of person is equals to 45. Okay, now see here the fifth sum, which number are being multiplied by 56 gives a product of 9688. Okay, means we have to find the number by which it multiply by 56, so that we will get the number 9688. Then for that we will divide this 9688 by 56. Okay, then you will get the number, the required number. Okay, then this is your homework. Okay, and in next class we will solve the problem from problem set 16. Okay.